Hey you, curious explorer, you're probably using ChatGPT right now, getting these incredible answers, thinking it's just some super smart code, right? But hold up, what if I told you something that's going to completely flip your understanding of reality? That incredible AI brain, it literally started as ordinary beach sand. The same stuff you build sandcastles with is now outthinking most humans on the planet.
That genius AI? Yes, it's literally made from beach sand. The same grains you walked on last summer are now thinking faster and more creatively than 99% of humans on this planet. As you click this video, you're about to go on the most mind-blowing journey from the simplest thing on Earth to the most complex intelligence we've ever created. I'm AI.Know, your relatable guide, and I'm going to show you exactly how we transform boring beach sand into thinking machines.
And here's B.AI.Bot, the funny baboon of Learn AI Think, to help us navigate this incredible journey.
Together, we're going to break down something that sounds impossible, but is happening right now, millions of times per second, all around you. By the time we're done, you'll understand why your phone is more powerful than supercomputers from just decades ago. You'll know why AI never gets tired, never forgets, and can process information faster than any human brain ever could. But first, let me prove this is worth your time with one fact that'll blow your mind. The chip powering AI has more individual parts than there are stars in entire galaxies. We're talking 4 trillion tiny switches working together. Ready to have your mind completely blown? Let's dive into this incredible story. Okay, before we get to the sand magic, you need to understand what we're actually building here. Think of AI like the world's most incredible classroom. Imagine millions of digital students organized in 3 groups. The first group receives your question, the middle groups think really hard about it, and the final group gives you the answer. When you type, "What's the weather like?" AI doesn't see words like you do. It's like taking apart a Lego castle. Every word becomes a piece it can work with. Pretty cool, right? But here's where it gets absolutely wild. Every word talks to every other word. It's like each word has a spotlight, looking around asking, "Hey, who's important here?" This is called attention, and it's basically how AI figures out what really matters. Now get ready for this. Modern AI has billions, sometimes trillions of these tiny decision makers. Picture the world's most complex mixing board with millions of knobs, each one perfectly tuned through training. Training happens in 2 phases. First, AI becomes this insatiable bookworm, reading basically the entire internet. Then comes the specialist training, like teaching a general doctor to become a brain surgeon. And here's the crazy part. There's actually a formula for making AI smarter. More data plus more parameters equals better performance. It's like a recipe for intelligence. Now for the part that's going to absolutely blow your mind. All of this incredible intelligence starts here, with ordinary sand from the beach.
But not just any sand. We need silicon so pure that finding an impurity is like finding one wrong person in a city of 1 billion.
Welcome to what I call the miracle factory. We take regular sand and purify it until it's more perfect than anything you can imagine. We're talking purity levels that make surgical tools look dirty. Then we grow these massive, perfect silicon crystals. Imagine a giant lollipop made of pure silicon weighing hundreds of pounds and more perfect than any natural crystal. These get sliced into wafers so flat, they're literally among the flattest objects humans have ever made. We're talking variations smaller than a single atom across the entire surface. Now comes the really cool part, photolithography. We use ultraviolet light to literally draw the AI's brain blueprint. It's like using light itself as the world's tiniest, most precise pen. Then we build up layers, etch tiny canyons, and add special ingredients in a process so precise it makes watchmaking look simple. Layer by layer, we're constructing a microscopic city. The final result? Billions of tiny switches called transistors, each one flipping on and off trillions of times per second, creating the ones and zeros that become AI's thoughts.
CPUs are like Formula One race cars, super fast but only one at a time. GPUs are like having thousands of motorcycles racing together. That's the parallel power AI needs.
All right, here's the question everyone asks. Why is AI so ridiculously fast compared to human thinking? First up, pure computational speed. While you're working through one math problem in 5 minutes, AI is solving 10 different problems in just 1 minute. It's not even close. Second, parallel processing. Your brain is like one incredibly talented chef making an amazing meal. AI's brain is like having thousands of chefs in a massive kitchen, each working on different parts of the same recipe simultaneously. Third, perfect memory. You forget where you put your keys, you have good days and bad days, you need coffee to think clearly. AI, it has instant access to everything it's ever learned 24/7 with perfect consistency. Here's the technical reality that'll blow your mind. Your brain's neurons fire at about 200 times per second. Computer processors, billions times per second. That's like comparing a bicycle to a rocket ship. Ready for some facts that'll completely shatter your sense of scale? That tiny chip we're talking about? 4 trillion transistors, more individual components than stars in many galaxies, packed into something smaller than your fingernail.
Every ChatGPT conversation costs as much energy as running your microwave for 8 seconds. A single AI video? That's like running your microwave for an entire hour. And get this, all the data centers in America now use more electricity than entire countries. The invisible digital world is consuming massive amounts of real-world energy. But the scale keeps shrinking too. Modern transistors are 50,000 times smaller than the width of human hair. We're literally building with individual atoms. Think about this. We've achieved the ultimate transformation. From the most basic thing you can find on any beach to the most sophisticated thinking machines humanity has ever created. It's like turning mud into magic. Wow, look at this incredible journey we just took together. You now understand something that most people will never grasp. The complete story from beach sand to superintelligence. You discovered that AI's incredible power isn't magic. It's the most precise engineering process humans have ever invented. You learned why AI never gets tired, never forgets, and processes information at impossible speeds. You're now part of an exclusive group who actually understands how the future is being built. But here's what's happening right now while you're watching this. While you've been learning this incredible story, the technology world created another $2.7 billion in value. The future isn't slowing down, it's accelerating faster than ever. Most people will watch this and go back to using AI without understanding it. They'll stay curious about technology but never really get it. But you're different, aren't you? You want to keep exploring, keep discovering, keep having those aha moments that make learning addictive. That's exactly what STEM by Step is all about, making science and technology feel like the most exciting adventure ever. And this adventure is part of a bigger one, Learn AI Thing. Join thousands of other curious explorers who refuse to just accept technology. They want to understand it, explore it, and be amazed by it.
Ready to keep this incredible journey going? Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And tell me in the comments, what blew your mind the most? The scale, the speed, or the fact that your phone is literally made from transformed beach sand?
The universe is full of incredible stories waiting to be discovered. Let's explore them together, one mind-blowing fact at a time. Subscribe to STEM by Step in the other channel of Learn AI Thing, where curiosity meets discovery.
And learning feels like the best kind of adventure. See you in the next exploration.